Namaste.
Namaste. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good.
Okay, I'm Isha, your tour guide. Today we are going to explore to the New Delhi portion. As you know very well that India is so beautiful. We have so many art and the culture. So one of the unique monument or a beautiful art I'm going to show you, which is known as Humayun Stone. Let's go to see this Humayun Stone. Okay, which is belongs to the second Mughal king. Now you think who is Mughals and where they are from? So this is in India. The Mughals has ruled in India for so long time, and the Mughal emperor has started by the Babur, the first Mughal king in 1526. Okay, so this is the Humayun tomb, which is built by the wife of Humayun. The reason why, because she knows that Humayun were the most unluckiest king in the whole Mughal empire. Now you think why? What do you think? Why? You have an idea? So the reason why, because when he was just 18 years old, on that time he was suffering from very bad illness. Okay, due to that, his father was upset with that. So his father requested to God, please make my son fine, and he gave his all disease to me. God listened to me and do the same thing to him. After 10 years, he ruled for 10 years. After 10 years, there is a different Muslim entered in India. The name of that king is Sheikh Shah Suri. Then after that, they have battle between each other. He got failed in that, and he left India for 15th year. After 15th year, he came back again in India. When he came in again, then again battle. This time he won the battle, and he started ruler in India. He just ruled only for 5 years. Then after 5 years, he died. Now, what do you think? How he died? You know, very simple. He just fallen from the library stairs.
What?
So yeah, this is how he died. So that's why his wife thought, okay, let's make something memorial for my husband. That's why she built it. Same thing you have seen when you have visited. Have you been to Agra?
No.
So when you go to Agra, the Taj Mahal is the wife memorial. This is husband memorial. So the person who built the Taj Mahal, known as the Shah Jahan, the Mughal 5th emperor, he got inspired from it. After that, he built the Taj Mahal.
Oh.
So for Delhi people, this is Red Taj for us.
That Taj.
Yeah. So very beautiful, very incredible. So here they had used the red sandstone for making this monument. Okay. Every side their garden area. So whenever you visit any Mughal monument, most of the time you notice that mostly they have used the red sandstone. Okay. And this is the okay. So look at this. Here you notice the symmetrical pattern they have used at this place. So whenever you are going to visit any kind of Mughal monument, so you always notice that they always use the symmetrical pattern which they had used at this place too. Okay. And here one more thing is which is very noticeable is that see the stars.
Yes, I noticed.
So these are the stars are not linked with any religion. It's not the stars of David, not the stars of Jewish. These are the stars of galaxy.
Oh.
So the king, the Humayun, loved the solar system, and he is a big astrologer. That's why his wife wanted that he always get connected with that. That's why she put it the stars at this place. Okay, let's go to click a photo at this place.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. So I want that you get something good memory from this place. I hope you enjoy the day with me. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Nice to meet you.